You're welcome once again to my YouTube channel. Are you new on this channel? Are you a subscriber? Are you a returning subscriber? I welcome you to Blessing Kitchen. You're highly welcome. I appreciate you for being part of this family. And in case you have not subscribed to this family, to this YouTube channel, please subscribe. And I'll be so glad. I will appreciate that effort you do. God bless you richly. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you the nature secrets that lies in this bitter kola and garlic for cough syrup. These two amazing ingredients have a natural antibiotic called allicin, which fights bacteria that causes severe cough in humans. Bitter kola has been shown to be effective in soothing fever, sore throat, congestion, and symptoms of cold and cough. It's a herbal cure for sore throat. It fights against viral and bacterial infection. Bitter kola helps aid breathing. If consumed regularly, it strengthens the lung tissue. Just needed one bitter kola to make this video. Guys, do you know that during the time of the heat of COVID-19, I recommended ginger for a friend that had chest congestion, and it brought a lot of relief. In fact, it cured the chest congestion. So ginger is very good to relieve you of your chest congestion.